Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this video, I will tell you how to limit COD based on customer. So if you're new here, then do subscribe the channel. So for this, I have used Advanced Cash on Delivery app. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on Advanced Cash on Delivery app. Then you need to click on Limit COD based on customer configure button. Then you need to select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery in your Shopify settings, then you need to toggle on this button and you need to select your delivery method. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I'm toggling off this button. And in customers option, there is only customer tag. You can customize, change the status to enable and select write COD for the customer with tag, and you can add the tag here as no COD. Tag has been added now. Save your changes. If you are liking this video, then do subscribe the channel and you can enter the customer tag here in customers section. Here for this customer, I have added the tag of VIP. Now I am adding a one more tag of no COD, and then you can see, and you can just take the email ID of that particular customer and you can test. Now we will test it on our online store. Go to catalog, add any product to a cart, and you just need to enter the email address of that particular customer. So here you can see only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not available for this because we have hide COD for this particular customer through this advanced cash on delivery app. So this app link is in the description box. You can check it out. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to limit COD based on customer. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.